Welcome back. Today we're going to make some strawberry and cream cheese rolled French toast sticks. Here are the ingredients. We got some strawberries, we have butter, syrup, milk, a little bit of black pepper, some powdered sugar, a couple slices of white sliced bread, some cream cheese, cinnamon and nutmeg, and some vanilla. So we're going to give the strawberries a little rinse off, and then I sliced them up, added a little bit of powdered sugar, just mixing them all well so they can get incorporated. Here I'm just cutting away the edges of the bread. You won't need those for this recipe. You can save them for something else. And I'm just rolling out the white piece of bread with a little baby roller. This is the cream cheese filling with powdered sugar, cream cheese, and vanilla. Right here I'm going to add in the strawberries, and then I'm just going to roll those with the bread. In this clip I added 3 eggs, and I'm pouring in some milk and a splash of vanilla and some powdered sugar. So here in this clip you're going to see me adding a pinch of black pepper, some cinnamon and some nutmeg, and some sugar. And then I just incorporated it all up. Here you're going to see me put this one in the pan. I already had a couple in there started. We are starting to cook on the first side there, cooking in that butter, starting to look yummy. Now you can see that I'm turning them around, and then they were all pretty much starting to get brown on all sides. This was the finished product. Oh my god, look at that, girl. I added some syrup and some more powdered sugar and some strawberries for garnish. Oh my god, these were so yummy. My daughter is home from college and she said it reminded her of a crepe. It was delicious. It is a must try. Okay, so let's get started on this pumpkin spice latte. That is a tablespoon of espresso coffee. Right here I'm measuring out 1 cup of milk. And now I'm going to add that milk to a pan that's on low. Right here you're going to see me add about a tablespoon of pumpkin. I ended up adding about 2 tablespoons of the powdered sugar plus an additional tablespoon of brown sugar. I like mine sweet, but that's to your liking. Use the amount of sugar to your discretion. And then I added vanilla, and I would add about a teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice, adding some coffee in the Keurig. And that was a Starbucks pumpkin coffee that I added in the Keurig. So now I am getting ready to add in that yummy mixture that we've created on the stove top. And so there I'm just stirring it well to incorporate all the yummy flavors, and a big huge dollop of whipped cream. You can't have a PSL without whipped cream, in my opinion. And then I'm adding some yummy pumpkin spice on top. Look at that, girl. Yes, ma'am. This was absolutely delicious. And guys, this is the finished product for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you decide to make this. This was delicious. I'm gonna try it again with some apples. I hope you guys have a great blessed day. Bye bye.